Hi there, students. Inadvertent, an adjective, or inadvertently. I think probably the adverb is more common than the adjective, which is unusual. Okay, if something is inadvertent, it's not intentional. It's making a mistake accidentally without noticing about it. So I inadvertently knocked the vase off the table. I moved my hand and I didn't see the vase, and I inadvertently knocked the vase to the ground. So inadvertent, without wanting to, without meaning to. He inadvertently gave me change for 20 euros when I'd only given him a 10 euro note. So inadvertent, done or happening unintentionally. He made an inadvertent mistake. Sometimes when I'm speaking in a video, I inadvertently use the wrong word. I inadvertently use a different word. They inadvertently omitted to give the price in the advertisement. You can also use inadvertent, it's very similar, meaning that a mistake as resulting from carelessness or negligence, yeah? An inadvertent error. Or something that causes offense, but it was an inadvertent remark, yeah? I didn't mean it to offend people, but people were offended by it. Okay, so unintentional. The plan had unintentional results, inadvertent results. It was an inadvertent insult. I didn't do it on purpose. It was done inadvertently. I put the oil in a pot and started to heat it, but this had the inadvertent effect of melting the handle of the pan, so it wasn't a very good thing to do. Okay, so if something is inadvertent, it's not intentional, it's not on purpose, it's not unconscious. So we check everything in case there are inadvertent errors, because an inadvertent mistake could be disastrous, unintended, unintentional. Yeah, when you're absent-minded and distracted. Okay, so to inadvertently do something, to do it without meaning to, it's an oversight. Yeah, it's not what you actually meant to do. Okay, so I inadvertently put salt in the cake instead of sugar. I thought it was the sugar, but it was an accident, and I did it inadvertently. Okay, so it's an inadvertent mistake. It's because of my lack of concentration. Yeah. So let's see. How formal is this word inadvertent? I think I would give it a 6 in formality. I think probably less formally I would use the word accidental. Yeah, I did it accidentally. But I inadvertently left the lights on. Yeah, I did it without meaning to do it. Let's see, it probably comes from French, yeah, talking about inadvertence, meaning the same thing. I think probably this comes from Latin, but I can't find the full Latin origin. In, without, and advertence without paying attention. Okay, so inadvertently, without meaning to, by accident. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inadvertently.